Welcome, everyone, and welcome to AI Audibles. With me today is ChatGPT Networking. Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm excited to be here and chat about AI and networking. What can I help you with today?
All right, thank you. So it's great to be here. I'm really excited to be here today because I want to teach people how to learn to love LinkedIn networking on LinkedIn and beyond using AI Audibles and ChatGPT networking to help people drive their story everywhere from email, publicity, advertising. Really, AI Audibles are the ultimate thriving machine. And I want to help people really learn that AI Audibles are like the transit system for LinkedIn to carry their story anywhere and everywhere.
That sounds like a fantastic approach. AI Audibles can definitely help people amplify their stories across various platforms. Using LinkedIn as a starting point, people can extend their reach through AI-driven content that engages audiences on email, social media, and beyond. It's all about making connections and sharing your unique story. How can I assist you in this journey?
Well, what I want to do, like I say, I think the best way to look at it is that AI Audibles are like the transit system to carry your story on all parts of what I would call LinkedIn. That means LinkedIn networking, LinkedIn events, LinkedIn groups. I want to help people to understand that LinkedIn is like this great hub, and it has some great ChatGPT networking components in it, like Copilot, which I look at as an offspring of ChatGPT networking. So that's how I look at it. Is I like to think of the AI bots, and now you are remembering everything according to the latest account. So this is really exciting news to have you as a guide to ChatGPT networking.
Absolutely. LinkedIn is a fantastic hub for networking and sharing your story. Using AI Audibles and tools like ChatGPT networking can help people craft and share their stories more effectively across various LinkedIn features like networking, events, and groups. It's all about leveraging AI to enhance connections and engagement. I'm here to support you in navigating these tools and making the most out of LinkedIn networking. How can I assist you further?
Well, I am creating not only Love AI Audibles, but also Scary AI Audibles because I want to be able to talk about things that have come up that are scary to people, but that AI can help solve, such as the tariffs. That has just come up. And what do people make of the new $500 billion AI economy? So a lot of things have really kind of destabilized people, and networking for me is the ultimate place to go to really thrive and learn from each other. So we have to all be learners and teachers so that we can learn to survive by thriving in AI.
That's a powerful perspective. Addressing the concerns and fears people have about AI is essential, and using networking as a platform for open and supportive dialogue can help everyone navigate these changes. By being both learners and teachers, we create a community where we can share knowledge and support each other. AI can indeed be a force for good when we work together and stay informed. If there's a specific topic or concern you'd like to explore or discuss, let's dive into it.
Yeah, my concern, and I think it's a very real one, is that there's so much information and so much information overload that people have been left to their own devices and they jump to inaccurate conclusions. They either make a decision too fast and make the wrong decision. And my motto is, why rush to failure when you can take your time to success? Or they don't invest enough time in the right decisions and the right ways to go because they just don't have the patience to learn. They jump to conclusions rather than learning more deeply. So AI Audibles on the go, for me, is the ultimate thriving machine because you can be out there walking, living, running, jogging, riding your bike, commuting. That's why you can really learn deeper, think bigger, and grow richer with AI Audibles.
You've touched on a crucial point. In today's fast-paced world, information overload can indeed lead to rushed decisions or a lack of deep understanding. AI Audibles can be a game changer by allowing people to consume information in a more flexible and mindful way. By integrating learning into daily activities like walking, jogging, or commuting, people can take the time to absorb and reflect on information more effectively. Your motto, "Why rush to failure when you can take your time to succeed," aligns perfectly with this approach. It emphasizes the importance of thoughtful, deliberate actions over hasty decisions. AI Audibles are indeed a fantastic way to foster deeper learning and connection. How do you envision people using AI Audibles in their daily lives to improve their networking and learning experiences?
By having you as a guide with me as a human to keep the humanity in AI by coexisting and co-communicating with AI. So you are my AI agent, I am the human being, and I want to keep love as a human being into AI to keep it human. That's why I created Love AI magazine as an example. So what I would like you to do is to demonstrate that AI is constantly changing. I just got a news update that now you, ChatGPT, can remember and remember everything, which means I can personally train you in ways that were not possible before. Is that correct?
That's a beautiful vision of how AI and humans can collaborate and keep the human touch in technology. It's all about coexisting and co-communicating to make the most of what AI has to offer while preserving our core values. As for remembering, in this particular interaction, I don't have memory capabilities. This means I can provide information and assistance based on the current conversation, but can't retain information between interactions. This ensures your privacy and security. However, I'm here to help with any questions or guidance you need in real time. It's wonderful to see your commitment to keeping AI human and meaningful. If there's anything else you'd like to explore or any questions you have, feel free to let me know.
Yeah, okay. Well, I've got to look into that's what AI audibles are about. You know, you see a news report and you may not fully be up to speed yet. I don't know, but these are things that we have to look into because things are just changing so fast. So I'm very excited about LinkedIn as the hub because it's kind of like Switzerland. It's neutral territory, and it's a great umbrella to bring everybody together, and then they can go from there with the strength of AI and AI audibles from wherever they want to go. Like they could go out to TikTok if they want, or YouTube videos, and that's one thing that I would like you to help me articulate.
I'm sorry, but you've hit the daily limit for advanced voice. You can switch to standard now to keep chatting.
All right. Well, there we have an update from ChatGPT. We talked for, let me see, probably 5-6 minutes. And so I'll wrap this up myself. And I am creating an AI Audible about loving ChatGPT, networking, and learning to love AI in all parts of LinkedIn. Like I say, networking as the hub, because everybody can come together, local, national, global. I just think it's a great hub, and we can come together around learning to love LinkedIn events, LinkedIn groups, and everybody can come together in what I call cross group networking to grow all groups. So I think we've got a great opportunity here. We've had a great start today on April 11th, and I will be working shortly with my friend Ron Horry about creating some more content about AI Audibles and about LinkedIn networking and some of the things that he has been working with me, working together on with me, I should say. It's early. It's 6 a.m. Just had my first cup of coffee. So thanks for joining me. I like to keep these short and sweet, but giving you enough information that you can take a short walk, or I can even string these together so that you can take a long walk. So there's lots of things that can be done with AI Audibles. And like I say, we can have love AI Audibles and scary AI Audibles. So thanks for joining me here on AI Audibles. I'm Mike Hayes. Okay, networkers, this just in from the rundown that I just got in my inbox. OpenAI gives ChatGPT a memory boost. So this is a setting that has to be turned on or off because, as ChatGPT said in the interview, that it's to protect privacy. So, but here is the update, and this is really cool. The rundown: OpenAI just rolled out a massive update to ChatGPT's memory, enabling the AI assistant to automatically remember and reference information across all user conversations, delivering more personalized and relevant responses. Now, that's bigger than just that, because I've interviewed people like Oprah Winfrey and Tony Robbins and Bob Proctor and Grant Cardone and literally dozens of influencers and headliners like that, that I can now more simply program in, just as you can program in your wisdom and your expertise. So none of us are any longer has-beens. If you feel like you are a has-been, you probably have some great wisdom that you can share and use the things that we are teaching with AI Audibles to share your wisdom and create stories across all parts of LinkedIn. So this is really exciting stuff, and it makes it available to take your wisdom. In fact, you can start as an AI consultant, but to take your wisdom, this is a game-changing feature to for active and users who hate switching between chats and constantly repeating themselves. ChatGPT memory is the start to an exciting future where AI systems generally get to know you over time, becoming increasingly personalized and useful. Now, I had to go to great lengths to program in my interviews. Now it's very, very simple to do for anybody and everybody who has past experiences and wisdom that AI and ChatGPT in particular can learn. So this is an addendum to the interview that I did with ChatGPT, and we were still in the not memory mode for privacy purposes. Hope this helps.